I'm cooking okra. That will be vegetarian dish, and these are chopped onion and cumin seed, सफ़ेद ज़ीरा and pyaz. So in Urdu, Hindi, Punjabi language is a pyaz, and सफ़ेद ज़ीरा is a सफ़ेद ज़ीरा, which is cumin seed, white cumins. Only few things I'm going to add is teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, haldi, salt is a namak, chili powder, surak mirch. So it's going in, and here's actually the fresh okra I washed and cut it yesterday, left in the freezer, so I took out now. Still all is frozen. So here there's some tomato and little bit cilantro. I'm going to add it in there. So not so many things, just very simple and plain cooking. Once I'm going to add now this one to in there. So here that will go last. Again onion, which is straight cut, and this is a sloppy cut cilantro, and also the tomato. It will go once almost done. 10 minutes before I will finish cooking, I'm going to add this. All three ingredients is all fresh and all vegetables. So now I'm going to add a little bit water, and I bring it flame to a bit slow. So right now is a full flame. I'm going to add a little bit water. And this okra will cook in tomato water and its own vegetable water and little bit water which I added. I'm not going to add any more water. So I'm going to cover it and bring it to that's it. After 15 to 20 minutes I will recheck, and then I'm going to, if it's all done, I'm going to add it other things, and I may make a short video.